all, let's start with section B of same sample paper. So in this, question number 21 says, if 0.3528 is expressed in the form of p over 2m into 5n, find the smallest values of m, n and p. So let us write first of all 0.3528 as in the form of rational numbers. So we have 0.3528. Now 3528 over, we need to remove point from here. So 0 point, removing point here, we will get 10,000 at the bottom. Now we can reduce the value of 3528 and 10,000 with the help of 2. So this is the reduced value of this. We get 441 over 1250. Now we can reduce this further. So 441. Now we need 1250 in the form of 2 and 5. So let us factorize this value first. So it will be divisible with help of 2. So it will be 625 over 5. 125, then 5, 25, 5, again 5. So 2 is 1 and 5 is raised to power 4. So they said 2m and they said 5n. Now we will actually compare these two values. My p is 441, the upper one. 2m, the power of 2 is 1, so therefore m value is 1. Now 5 raised to power n is equal 5 raised to power 4. That means my n value is 4. So this is question number 21. Now moving on to question number 22. Represent the zeros of the polynomial 12 plus x minus x square graphically. So we need to actually split the middle term here, and then we will get the zeros out of this, and we have to draw it graphically. So let's see. So the equation was 12 plus x minus x square. Now we need to rearrange the value, and it will be x square minus x square plus x plus 12. So 12 factor of 12 is 4 and 3, and their difference makes 1. So minus x square plus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Now taking common x from here, we get x minus 4. From the last two terms we can get common 3. So x minus 4 again. So we are left with minus x minus 3, and another is x minus 4. So we have two zeros, that is x equals 4, and in the second one it will be x equal minus 3. Now we need to draw them graphically. So we can draw it on a normal line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now mark 4 here and minus 3 on the left hand side. So this is done. This is question number 22. Now moving on to next question. Next question says, find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So let's do this. This is simple. So there is a point which is equidistant to A as well as to B. The distance is same. PA equals PB, that means. So P value is x comma y. A coordinate is 3 comma 6. B coordinate is minus 3 comma 4. So now we need to use distance formula in PA and we need to use distance formula for PB. Now for PA it will be x minus 3 whole square in under root plus y minus 6 whole square equal under root. So minus x plus 3 square plus y minus 4 square. Yeah, now removing these under root values, we have x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Now putting the values like expanding the brackets, so we will get x square minus 6x plus 3 square, that is 9, y minus 6 square whole square, y square minus 12y plus 36 equal x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16. Now removing the values which has same sign and equal quantity. So removing x square, and then we can remove 9, then we can remove y square, and that's all I think. Now let us see what we are left with. So minus 6x. So we have minus 6x minus 12y plus 36 equal 6x minus 8y plus 16. So minus 6x minus 6x minus 12y plus 8y plus 36 minus 16 equals 0. Now minus 6 will be minus 12x minus 12y plus 8y will be minus 4y. 36 minus 16 is plus 20 equals 0. Now changing the signs here, we will get 12x plus 4y minus 20 equals 0. So this is the required relation between x and y. Now moving on to next question. Next question says Ajay stands on a top of a cliff and sees Amit on a hot air balloon in the sky. When Ajay looks down the cliff toward the sea, he sees Raman sailing a boat. So this is the position for Ajay, this is the position for Amit, this is the position for Raman. Now here we have boat, here we have hot air balloon. Now we need to use the term angle of elevation or angle of depression, describe the angle A, B, C and D. Now in this, for Ajay, angle B is angle of elevation and angle C is angle of depression. Now for Amit only describes angle A. So in this, for Amit, angle A is depression. Now the last, Raman, in that it is angle of elevation for Raman as he is at the bottom, he is at the sea level and looking up. So this will be angle of elevation. Now they say if angle A and B, if angle A equals angle B, yes, they are equal, as we can see that they are forming alternate interior angle. So yes, they are equal. Now the second one, it says is angle C equals angle D. Yes, again angle C equals angle D. Why? Because they are again alternate interior angles. Now moving on to next question number 25. Find the area of the shaded portion. So in this, the outer part is area of rectangle. Then inside it we have a semicircle. So area of semicircle need to be removed from area of rectangle ABCD. So ABCD will be 28 into 14. that is 392, and we need to remove the area of semicircle. So 392 minus pi r square over 2. Now 392 minus, putting the value of pi r square over 2, we get 308. R in this case is 14. So putting that value, we get 392 minus 308, and which is in turn equal to 84 square centimeter. So the shaded region is 84 centimeter square. Now in the next one, it says 2 unbiased coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting 2 heads, at least 1 head. So the outcomes are HH, HT, TH and TT. Now it says 2 heads. 2 heads is only 1. So out of 4, we have 1 probability that it will be 2 heads. And in the second one, it says at least 1 head. So we get in this, we get in this. So it will be 2 over 4 or 1 over 2. Now moving on to section C. I will cover section C in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.